Hey everyone, if you're having trouble logging into Opera GX, getting stuck on the sign-in screen, or your account just won't authenticate, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you simple fixes to solve Opera GX login problems. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or unstable network can stop the login process from completing. Next, carefully re-enter your email and password. Yeah, even a small typo can block you from logging in. If you forgot your password or it's not working, click on Forgot Password and reset it. This often fixes login failures instantly. Try closing Opera GX completely and reopening it. So temporary session glitches can sometimes block login attempts. Corrupted cache or cookies can interfere with authentication. Clearing them may fix login issues. Some extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, can block login scripts. Yeah, try disabling them temporarily. If login works in incognito mode, the issue is likely caused by extensions or cached data. This is a quick way to test it. Make sure Opera GX is fully updated. So outdated versions can cause authentication and login errors. If you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off temporarily. Yeah, some login services block suspicious network routes. Sometimes the problem isn't on your side. Opera servers may be down or experiencing issues affecting login. If nothing works, reinstall Opera GX. A fresh installation can fix corrupted login components. If the issue still continues, contact Opera GX support. They can help troubleshoot account or authentication problems, and that's it. One of these methods should help fix Opera GX login problems and get you signed in again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.